Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you create or how can you change bundle discount prices. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your preferred web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile as well. From the home page of your account, you will click on your profile settings right here and then click on settings. Now, from the settings page on the left hand side, you will click on bundle discounts and you will enable them first of all. And this is where you will change the bundle discount prices. So for two items, you will select the amount right here. So if it has been set to 5, you can change it to any other or you can just discard it. So it depends, it's up to you essentially. Once you finish all of this, it will automatically save, so you don't need to save any settings. And once you go back to your listing, it will be all set up. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.